Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Sense and Skin Bingo. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Small muscles in skin attached to hair, when contracted, cause hair to stand up, thus trapping a layer of air next to the skin for increased thermal insulation. A. Round window. B. Erector muscle. C. Accommodation. D. Ciliary muscle. And the answer is B. Erector muscle. Window found in the ear. Expansion valve for fluid compression in cochlea. A. Round window. B. Elector peel muscle. C. Accommodation. D. Ciliary muscles. And the answer is A. Round window. Adjustment of the curvature of the lens of the eye to focus on objects at different distances. That is, it can focus on near or far objects, not at the same time. The ciliary body and suspensory ligaments control the curvature of the lens. A. Round window. B. Erector peel muscle. C. Accommodation. D. Ciliary muscle. And the answer is C. Accommodation. Circular muscles that alter the shape of the lens of the eye and are used for focusing the image onto the retina. A. Round window. B. Erector muscle. C. Accommodation. D. Ciliary muscles. And the answer is D. Ciliary muscles. A membrane separating the outer ear and the middle ear converts sound waves to vibrations. A. Eardrum. B. Balance. C. Earbrow. D. Cornea. And the answer is A. Eardrum. Direct sweat away from the eye. Eardrum. B. Balance. C. Eyebrow. D. Cornea. And the answer is C. Eyebrow. Transparent part of sclera at the front of the eye allows light to enter eye. A. Eardrum. B. Balance. C. Eyebrow. D. Cornea. And the answer is D. Cornea. Sense controlled by the semicircular canal in the inner ear. A. Eardrum. B. Balance. C. Eyeblow. D. Cornea. And the answer is B. Balance. Sensory receptors that respond to external changes in the environment. For example, taste receptors. A. Choroid. B. Conjunctiva. C. Ectoreceptors. D. Blind spot. And the answer is C. Ectoreceptors. Transparent membrane lining the eyelid, covering the front of the eyeball. A. Choroid. B. Conjunctiva. C. Ectoreceptors. D. Blind spot. And the answer is B. Conjunctiva. Dark pigmented layer inside sclera of the eye prevents light refraction in the eye, contains blood vessels. Choroid. B. Conjunctiva. C. Ectoreceptors. D. Blind spot. And the answer is A. Choroid. A transparent liquid found in the eye between the lens and the cornea. Light is refracted or bent slightly as it passes through this on its way to the retina. This liquid also helps to maintain eyeball shape. A. Choroid. B. Conjunctiva. C. Ectoreceptors. D. Aqueous humor. And the answer is D. Aqueous humor. Where the optic nerves leaves the retina of the eye, there are no rods or cones. This spot is insensitive to light, therefore no vision at this spot. A. Dermis. B. Eyelid. C. Concave lens. D. Blind spot. And the answer is D. Blind spot. Found beneath epidermis, connective tissue with elastic fibers. Contains sensory excretory organs, etc. or outer layer or covering of plant. A. Dermis. B. Eyelid. C. Concave lens. D. Blind spot. And the answer is A. Dermis. Lens that curves inwards towards the center, used to correct short-sightedness. It bends the rays of light outwards, a diverging lens. A. Dummies. B. Eyelid. C. Concave lens. D. Blind spot. And the answer is C. Concave lens. Outer movable covering over the eye. Its function is to bleak, and this keeps the eye clear and moist. A. Dummies. B. Eyelid. C. Concave lens. D. Blind spot. And the answer is B. Eyelid. Hello friends. Thank you very much for participating in Sense and Skin. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.